parents might do their best to shield their kids and youth from advertising related to alcohol. But alcohol marketers are doing their best to reach them anyway. Alcohol endorsements allure youth and kids by using innovation, songs and girls, cartoons, celebrations, celebrities to sell their products.